Hey guys, for today's video, I will show you how to use Mailchimp for email marketing. To start creating your email, click on the Create at the top of your navigation bar. This will give you the three different options to choose from. Choose the email option from the three options presented. Within the email option, you have the choice between regular email or plain text emails. Plain text emails are generally considered boring and less engaging for customers, so it may be better to choose a regular email template. I suggest starting with a standard or simple email template. You can select regular as your template option. So for instance, you could name it U1, which is a typical email that customers receive from businesses. After adding the recipient, form, subject, and content, the next step is to design the email. You can do this by clicking the Design Email option, which will give you the choice between the new builder or the classic builder. Select the one you prefer and start designing your email. When using Mailchimp's email builder, there are different options to get started, such as using a pre-made template or starting from scratch. The builder offers various layouts, themes, and ability to save your own templates. The email builder also has a drag and drop block editor that allows for easy customization of the email layout. After customizing your design, you can click on the Continue button. Once you do that, you will need to add a subject to your email. The subject line should be engaging and attention-grabbing to entice your customers to open the email. For instance, you could use U1 as your subject line. Additionally, you can also add preview text which will appear below your subject line in the recipient's inbox. This will make your customer more likely to open the email and engage with the content. After that, you have the option to send the email immediately or schedule it for later. If you choose to schedule it, you can select the date and time you want the email to be sent. Once you have made your selection, just click on send and your email will be on its way to your recipients. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.